PVC pipes are quickly unloaded with a moonwalk move. The concrete floor is smoothed out with a balancing act. A dangerous rebar bending machine is operated with precision. Two hand trowels work together for a smooth mortar finish. Heat-activated paint is expertly laid for a road marker. A vertically moving robotic arm smooths out wet plaster. Concrete is cubed with a series of precise blows. The tail end of a pipe is heated up for a tight fit. Mortar loaded onto wood is neatly distributed. A tubular scooping shovel rapidly fills concrete bags. A wire is used to cleanly shave off excess mortar. A faux brick finish is achieved with a sponge. Careful measurements and cuts render a basket weave finish. Cement is shoveled up to a rooftop with perfect rhythm. A perfect circle is executed with a brake press machine. Home demo is removed with an industrial shop vac. Mortar is poured into the blockwork with a watering can. A car tire is used to support a brick archway. Cement is diverted through a pipe for quick transport. Wet cement is artfully shaped to mimic roofing tiles. A crimping tool latches a loop onto a steel wire rope. The circumference of a CD is perfect for a tricky cut. Pegs are inserted into concrete slab holes for easy lifting. Bent metal smooths out a bullnose corner. A patch is torched down and sealed over a roof hole. Dry rot is cut out using a custom jig and multi-tool. device traps mortar for avoiding waste. A roof crack is sealed with tape and a rolled-on silicone sealer. Cement troweled into a wooden template creates a pillar. A template is lowered onto wet concrete for a compass design. Excavators latch arm buckets to drag a coworker to safety. Heavy cable is retrieved using an excavator track frame. Custom welded slip-ons utilize counterbalance for climbing. Clay bricks are rapidly cut using a wire slicing tool. A floral design is etched with an angle grinder. A square cut is executed and cleaned for drain installation.